There's the boss as he goes about into our boom burst right over there, southern Indiana on the north side. And we're able to get a nice view of that, a nice shot. All right, they're going to head off to the north and get us in for the next one over here. Your 2010 Alien Flight Team. Had to turn it back over to the voice of Thunder, Mr. Jay Farnett. Performance automobiles. Jay figured out early on, if you get that exhilaration of speed, and more speed, you eventually have to turn to the friendly skies. And the name Flash Gordon was born. He found the answer while flying the L-39 Albatross, a Czechoslovakian-built ex-Western Air Force aircraft. Jay has performed many Thunders and has always put on a fantastic show. It's a beautiful aircraft. This particular plane was built in 1983 and has been completely restored and painted using the colors of the Royal Thai Air Force. This model is still in use by the Thai Air Force. The L-39 Albatross is a high-performance jet trainer developed for Czechoslovakia. That is just an incredibly graceful airplane. Jay flies it so well. It's a world-class show. McDonald's sponsored their version of Thunder for the 5th straight year this year. Because this great generosity and civic concern has made Thunder what it is today. We want you to have a look at all the displays that are here for you to see. The Army has a marksmanship trailer. AH-64 Apaches are here for you to see. The Navy's Accelerate Your Life Tour is here. You can have a look at all these exhibits and others on the South Grade lawn. Now the Ford people are doing a little number for us too. The 2010 Ford Drive 1 Tour is going on. This is going to feature the latest Ford vehicles and technology, including the 2010 Fusion Hybrid.